Hello friends! Today I am going to tell you how you can download any video from any website. Friends, this method is completely free and very easy. Just follow the simple steps that I am going to show you in this video. So let's start. First of all, go to Google and type Chrome Web Store. Go to Chrome Web Store. Now type in the search bar Video Downloader Professional. Click on More Extensions. Now you have to find this one. Its name is Video Downloader Professional. Be sure to select the same one as I have used it, and it's the best out of all. Now click on Add to Chrome. To pin it on your toolbar, click on this puzzle button and select Pin. You can see the icon popping up. Let's see the magic now. You can see this video. Now we'll download this video using this tool. Click on the green icon and you'll see the download option. Select the location where you want to download it and it's done. You can see the video has been downloaded successfully. So friends, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.